what is your dollars in retirement actually going to look like? Because once you die, Social Security's gone. That's not something you get to pass on to your heirs, right?
Nope, it's gone. It's gone, guys. Okay. These are 5 underutilized write-offs that are out there, Rick, that a lot of people just underutilize these things. And the first thing I tell people is, if you have a business, this is for businesses, okay? You need to comb through all your bank statements, all your credit card statements, okay? Look, we're not telling you to fabricate expenses or anything like that. It has to have a business purpose behind it, okay? But you need to go there and look at any of your travel expenses, things that were associated with your business. I can't tell you how many times people forget, oh, wait, I did this in business. I did that in business. Go through and comb through what those expenses are. You know, meals, you might have had a deductible meal that you forgot to take account for, okay? You get a 50% deduction on that. Your home office supplies, your equipment, electronics, things like that. You know, your cell phone, your home phone, drones, tripods, things that you use in your business. Auto mileage, picking up supplies, going out to a conference, meeting with a potential client. All those are deductible items. But it's key. Look, make an appointment with Rick or myself. We'll help guide you through that to see what qualifies and what doesn't. We don't want you to take an erroneous position, but we don't want you to leave money on the table either, okay? So that's why it's really key. And we like to tell our clients to keep their books updated every single month, right? So you don't have to, you know, retroactively go back and try to figure out what these are. It can be very difficult at times. However, if you are that procrastinator, and the reality is a lot of people are, okay? You need to go back and take the time to go comb through and see, you know, what you might have spent some of your dollars on and what was the purpose? What were you trying to accomplish? Was this a business related item? And if it is, let's make sure we claim those things.
Well, and the other thing on this is because, you know, you're talking about personal expenses that were spent in the business. If you're an S corp, you can't take that deduction.
No,
it has to be run through the S corp.
Very true.
Itself, right?
Very true.
So we need to know that ahead of time before we file that S corp tax return of, oh, wait, I spent all this money and it needs to be run through the business.
Yep.
Now, if you have a partnership or sole proprietorship, absolutely
we can take us UPEs,
those, right?
Yeah.
But those are not available on the S corp or a C corp either, right? So we need to make sure we're accounting for those things before those business taxes are filed.
Yep, absolutely.